Hello. I will show you how to initiate the adaptive form workflow and how it works in action. There are two actors, a clinical application that initiates the process and call an external service to get question based on specific logic, and an external service that provides the question step by step based on previous answers and logic behind the workflow. The process starts with building the adaptive form that contains only the form title. This is the depression assessment form PHQ2 PHQ9. Let's open this form. The form contains only the title. So we marked the form as adaptive form and provided the URL for the external service. As we can see, there are no questions before we launch the form. This form can be embedded into the clinical application or shared with the patient. The next step of this workflow is to launch the form. Let's do this. Let's share this form. So we get the link to this form and let's open this form. After the form is launched, we get the first question. Let's answer the question and click the next button. We get the next question from the external service. Let's answer these questions too. And we can see that the form was submitted. For this video, we implemented simple logic on the external service side. The patient starts with the PHQ2, which has two questions. The service calculates the PHQ2 score, and if the score is more than 2, the service returns additional questions from the PHQ9 form for further assessment. If the score is 2 or less, the assessment is completed. We can see that the form was submitted after 2 questions. Let's launch this form again and play another scenario. I click the share the form and get the link to this form. Let's open this link. So, yeah, let's answer 2 questions. So, and we can see now we are getting more and more questions until the form will be submitted. Okay, so, and this is the last questions, and let's click next button and we can see that the form is submitted. So I showed you the adaptive form in action on a simple scenario. Test it on your real use cases and share your feedback with us. Thank you so much.